Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a makeup look on this right here. It's fire! If you don't think it is, then well, my bad. But I love this look. So I usually use a lot of the same products in my videos, and I was like, you know what? You need to stop that. So I've been testing out new products for a while, and I'm like, ooh, I found my favorites. So I'm gonna use those today in this video. And yeah. While I'm here, if you're new to my channel, my name is JasmineBrown. Some people call me Jasmine, but my name's really Jasmine. But I just made my Instagram name Jasmine when I was little, well, when I was in high school, and then now everybody thinks my name's Jasmine, which is fine. I'll go by either one. You can call me Jasmine if you want. But hello there, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe down there so you don't miss out any new videos and makeup looks and hair videos. Anyway, back to the makeup look. So, if you want to see how I get this look right here, then let's keep on watching and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to moisturize my face with Ole Henriksen C-Rush Brightening Gel Cream. Next up, I'm going to use Dermalogica's eye serum. This is one of their newer products and I've been using it for a while now and it works so good on my eyes. I can just like see results. This really helps brighten and firm the eye area. It's became my addiction, so don't be surprised if you see this in every video. I'm gonna go ahead and let that sit in and soak in my skin. So before I apply my foundation, I'm gonna use Mercier, one of their newer primers. This is the Pure Canvas Primer. This one is for blurring. So I'm just gonna add this all over my face. That primer literally just smooths right onto your face. And it feels so good and it dries nice and like dry. It just feels smooth. It's not sticky at all and I really like that. Okay, so for my foundation, I have this little mixture that I've been liking. So I use this Makeup Forever Reboot foundation in the color Y365. And then I like to pump in a little bit of this NARS Tinted Glow Booster. This one is in the medium dark color. So I'm just gonna pump this on my face. There we go, and I just hit on top of it with a beauty blender to make sure I smooth all of it out. So now I'm gonna add concealer. I'm gonna use this Too Faced Born This Way Multi Sculpting Concealer. I would say Confusion Concealer in warm beige. Woo! Whoops. Yo, I have gotten so light this winter. Warm beige. Yo, all of my concealers, all of my foundations, I had to go down in color because I just lost all my color this year. I was just so tan last year. Oh, especially after I went to Ibiza. My tan was fire! I want to go back to Ibiza this year just to tan. Like, that sun was different. It was hitting different. And so before I set this, I'm gonna use a different product. I started using a cream contour and I love it. I'm using the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Sculptor. I like to use a smaller brush when I do this. And then I just like to dab it. And then I blend it up. Now I like to get my Mercier translucent powder. And I like to set underneath my eyes. Now I'm gonna bronze my face and set the cream contour with Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. Okay, now that my face is done, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows. I'm gonna use Hourglass's Warm Brunette Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil. Now I'm gonna set the brows with the 24-hour brow setter from Benefit. So next, I'm going to use one of the new Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows. This is the number 8 one with all of the bright colors. So I want to use all of the colors, to be quite honest. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start with green because I'm wearing green, and then we'll go from there. Then I'm gonna go to this other greenish color they have. It's kind of like a turquoise, so I'm gonna do that before the blue because then it looks like it mixes in. So this color was Moulala Dirty Denim. It's dirty with the D-U-R, dirty. So we're gonna go ahead and put that up next. Now time for Mother's Boy. It's the blue one. Mother's Boy. Mother's Boy. So now we're gonna go into this baby blue. Pat that on next. Now on to a Lady Pimp, which is the purple. There we go. So after I got all the colors mixed in and I blended it, made sure it all like merged together, I'm gonna go ahead and get a small little brush and then just kind of like blend up the ends so it's not super harsh. Just lightly go over them. Like that. Ooh! This is pretty! Can't decide if I want to do a little wing or not. I don't want to take away from the eye look because it just looks so cute. Okay, so I think I'm going to do like the tiniest little wing in a black. I'm going to use the Haus Labs, just like a small one, only on the outside. There, I love doing this little wing. There we go, now we're done with that. I'm going to go ahead and get my eyelash curler and curl my lashes. Lashes curled up to the gods. Y'all see that? Like, why can't they just stay like this? I remember when I got a lash perm before. Ooh, I loved it. I haven't gotten one again though. I need to though. I'm gonna go ahead and use the new Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Volume Mascara. Let's see what this mascara about. It's honestly the first time I'm using it. So let's see. So it's got a skinny side and then a fat side. I'm gonna use the skinny to get down in there. And I'm gonna use the fat side to curl. Looking kind of good. I really like the skinny side for the lower lashes. Lashes look great. Next, I'm gonna add some blush, and I'm gonna use the NARS Hot Fix Cheek Palette. I really like these last two colors. This one has shimmer in it, this one doesn't, so I'm gonna mix a little bit of both. Ooh! Now that's a beautiful color. It's like a coral, but it's not too pink. Yeah, these colors look great. Woo, and this little highlight right here is booming. Look, watch. I'm gonna use that on my cheeks. Okay, so for lips, I want to keep a little neutral, so I'm gonna use this brown NYX lip pencil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and top it off with the clear Fenty Gloss, Bomb. You know, Gloss Bomb is just the best. So that they came out with the clear one, yes! Before I almost forget, I'm gonna test out the new Fenty Beauty Makeup Refreshing Spray, and it's called What It Do? What It Do, baby? Like, dang, I say this all the time. That's crazy that that's what it's called. What It Do? What It Do, baby? What It Do, baby? My TikTok, like, information box literally just says, What It Do, baby? Because, what it do? Ooh, it's nice little fine mist. That's nice. Let's see. It's like super, super fine. I'm used to spraying my face and then it being wet and then I let it dry, but it's so fine that it doesn't do that. But I kind of like that. Oh man, it just feels so good. Dang, I like this spray a lot. I usually use the Morphe Fine Mist setting spray, but like that one be coming out and I'd be like this and I'd be like wet and I'd just be like waiting to dry. But look at this, like I'm a little dewy, I'm a little wet, but it's like not gonna drip. Honestly, I'm not loving this lip. I think it's too dark. I feel like it needs like a nude, like a very light nude. Now let me put that little brown liner on it. There we go. I think I like this more. Okay, definitely like this more. Brown lip liner a little bit on top of a nude. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put some more of the gloss bomb on top. Much better! Okay, so this is the final look. Look how gorgeous this eye is. Usually I won't walk out the house with colors on. I don't know what it is. Anytime I'm doing like an eye look with colors and I take pictures or do a video, I literally take it off. But I will walk out the house with this on like, I think I need to go on a date or something. Let me call my boo up. But yeah, anyway, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. All of the products will be linked below that I use. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram if you aren't already, you know, to check out some pictures. You know, I'm about to take some selfies with this look. I have to. Like, I have to. But anyway, don't forget to subscribe. But I will see you guys in my next upload. Bye!